In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a task in Google Calendar. This is a handy tool to help you organize and prioritize your tasks visually. Sometimes, a little splash of color makes all the difference in managing your schedule and setting quick visual priorities. Let's dive right into it and make your calendar vibrant and personalized. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can easily do this by visiting calendar.google.com in your web browser and logging in with your Google account, assuming you're not already logged in. Once you're in, your calendar will be displayed, showcasing all of your scheduled events, reminders, and tasks. Now locate the specific task you wish to change the color of. This might be a recurring task or just a one-time activity you want to customize for better visual organization. Once you've found it, the next step is to click on it. Clicking on the task will open a small pop-up window with more detailed information about that task. In this pop-up window, look for an option labeled Edit. You'll typically find this as an icon resembling a pencil or something similar that indicates modification. Clicking this will direct you to a more in-depth editing page where you have more control over the specifics of your task. On the task editing page, you'll see various options for the task, but what we're interested in is the event colors section. This might not be immediately obvious, so take a moment to scan your screen carefully. The event color setting allows you to choose from a palette of different colors, offering a simple way to categorize or prioritize your task in a manner that grabs your attention or meets the color coding system you've devised. Once you've located the color selection, click it and you'll see a menu of colors pop up. Take your time to choose the color that best represents the urgency or type of task you're dealing with. If, for instance, you reserve blue for meetings and yellow for deadlines, be sure to apply your chosen system here. This way, a glance at your calendar gives you instant insight into what your day or week looks like. After selecting your color, there is no need to worry about saving because Google Calendar auto-saves these changes as you make them. So once you've picked a color, your task is now visually updated. And that's it! You've successfully changed the color of a task in Google Calendar. Remember, this trick can be incredibly beneficial for enhancing your productivity by providing clear visual cues that help you to stay organized. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in maintaining an organized and efficient schedule. See you in the next tutorial.